How to check Gmail account login devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any Google services application. I'm going to launch Play Store application over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. As I logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on the option of manage your Google account. Now as I tap on manage your Google account, what you can do is it will lead us to a new page where you'll get different options available. So all we are going to do over here is tap on the option of security. So let's tap on security over here, and what you can simply do is you can scroll down and here you can see the option of your devices. So you can simply tap on manage all devices over here, and as I tap on manage all devices, so let's see, and after you tap on manage all devices, you'll be able to see all the devices that you are currently logged in with the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.